I don't think we ever discussed politics. Puneet was somebody who was very passionate about movies. He was totally into watching world cinema. He loved the kind of movies that were being made, the kind of advances being made in the movie industry everywhere in the world, not just in our country. And he had this home theater built according to his likes, and he would watch movies nonstop. That much I know about him. And he would always discuss movies. We were more into discussing new age cinema, world cinema, Korean cinema, the award winning movies, in fact. So he was more into that side. He had his priorities very straight. I don't think he ever entertained the option of entering politics at all, but at the same time he was very supportive of me. He knew what I had gone through and what challenges I had faced, and he would message me. He would WhatsApp me quite frequently, and he was the first one to respond immediately wherever he was, however busy he was. If I, messaged him with something, and he was very graceful, very simple-hearted, very, very straightforward, very down to earth, grounded kind of a person, and it's like you know a big chunk from our heart, has been just cut away today. It's so painful. It's really painful. I can't tell in words how pain we all are at this.
Well, ma'am, I'd like you to please stay with us. I'm going to quickly cut across. We have said this time and again that Puneet Rajkumar has played such an integral role, not just as an actor, but also as an individual in many of the actors' careers. I have with me Harshika Purnacha, who's also a star herself. She's acted with Puneet Rajkumar. Harshika, your take on Puneet Rajkumar. We saw you sobbing yesterday. I know that you're really upset and disappointed. But today, as we remember Apu, how would you remember him?
All I want to say is, Nabila, we miss him, and we will always miss him. I was just watching Jackie, the film in which we both acted together. And I started sobbing when I saw him because, I started recollecting all the memories that we had during the shoot. And he was such a wonderful person. Like I mentioned previously, he even gave me his vanity van. He asked me to use it. He said, I don't use it. Harshika, you can go ahead and use it. The vanity van is just there and you can, make use of it whenever you want. He was such a humble and such a nice person. I don't think we will ever get a person like him again. We miss you, Apu sir. And, everyone's writing on social media, please come back, please come back. And that's what even I want to say. Please come back, Apu sir.
In fact, we know the kind of career graph that Puneet Rajkumar has had. I'd really like to go over as we remember Puneet Rajkumar today, and as I am standing right here at the Kantirva Stadium, you see a huge police security, a huge massive presence here because one does not want chaos, and the state government here has come up with all preparations just to ensure that the situation is under control. In fact, Puneet Rajkumar's daughter is right inside the Kantirva Stadium. She's come down from the United States. She has she was devastated is what we hear from the visuals that we see. She was sobbing all through the way, and she's come down. She was very attached to her father, and therefore you have a huge police presence because there are thousands of people inside the stadium and thousands outside, literally crowded on all four corners of the stadium here. I'm going to cut across Puneet Rajkumar, the man who was dubbed as the power star. The only reason he was called as a power star was because of the kind of strength and the endurance he had, the action sequences that literally drove audiences crazy.